This is why in your code you should have good naming convention, even for your assets. As we can see here, that what he's doing is he's checking global.playerClothing. Let's say if the player has chosen a specific clothing or he customized the clothing of his player, this script will run. And when he checks if it's sweater, assign it to sweater. It checks if it's sweater book, so assigned to sweater. If it's sweater hat, he assigns sweater hat. If it's pajama, he assigns it to a pajama. If it's a pajama book, he assigns it to a pajama. If it's a pajama hat, he assigns it to a pajama hat. So what could he have done is that instead of all of this, if he basically, in most of them, the name is the same, the name between the selected clothing and the global.player clothing. So I wonder why did he do that? In pajama book, why is it not a pajama book? Why is it the same name? If he had the same name in each one, let's say when he checks the global.player clothing and it comes up as pajama book, he assigns it to a pajama. He assigns the selected clothing to a pajama. And then, he does a lot of shit here. Instead of all of this, instead of even the switch case, you don't need switch case. All you need is an if statement that you can check if global.player clothing, and then he can just put in here selected clothing equals global.player clothing. That's how it would have been if he had a good naming for each asset in his game, for the clothing asset in his game. So now whatever it is here, it just assigns it. It's a pajama, then it's a pajama. It is a pajama hat. Then it becomes just pajama hat, and that's it. And here you are checking if the player has chosen a clothing. He customized the clothing, and if that is null, it will not go inside this if statement, and that's it. Not very difficult.